Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? I hope everyone is fine. The Knowledge School Kite Campus, English Literature, Lecture number 14, Class 5, Revision of Character Sketches and Summaries, prepared by Miss Aisha Usman. From the book Broadway Reader. We are going to do 2 sketches and 2 summaries today from 2 stories. One is Oliver Walks to London and the other one is Many Moon. Both stories are very excited. I hope everyone remembered those stories, what we have done in the class. Write the character sketch of Oliver. Oliver was leading character of the story Oliver Walks to London. He was a young boy. He was pale and ill. He was working at undertaker's shop, but he ran away for a better job in London. He was very hard-working. He continued his journey without eating and drinking. Oliver was an innocent boy. He did not learn stealing through their funny games. He was a good-natured boy. He did not steal anything from anywhere. He always spoke truth, even when he caught by the police. To conclude, we can say that Oliver was an innocent boy and a good citizen. Write the summary of Oliver Walks to London. It was the story about a boy named Oliver. He was working at undertaker's shop. He ran away for a better job to London. He was hungry and weak. In the way, he was approached by a boy named Jack Dawkins, who offered Oliver food and let him stay in a home of a gentleman, who was actually a thief and taught other children to steal goods and money to live. But Oliver was an innocent boy who never stole anything. So that when he was caught by a police, he was rescued by an old gentleman. This is a reward about his good nature. Here is the character sketch of Princess Lenore from the story Many Moon. Princess Lenore was the leading character of the story Many Moons, who was the daughter of a king. She was very pretty and beautiful. One day she fell ill and near to die because she had a strange desire to have a moon. It was impossible to get it. She was passionate as she did not give up her strange wish. She was an intelligent girl because she considered moon as a rejuvenating object and succeeded to get it. To conclude, we can say that Lenore was passionate and intelligent girl. Write down the summary of Many Moons. It was the story about a girl who was the daughter of a king named Princess Lenore. She had a strange wish to have a moon. That was really not possible. It was a difficult task which was given to all experts, but all of them were failed. The solution of a problem presented by a court jester to get a tiny golden moon hanging in a chain around the prince's neck. Now the problem was to hide moon at night, and experts were failed again. The problem was also solved by a jester proving that moon was a rejuvenating object. So guys, here we have done two summaries and 2 sketches of 2 stories. Learn all these character sketches and the summaries by heart, prepared for your exam. Be prepared for your exam. Stay home, stay safe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.